In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Booksy Biz Web and successfully upgrade your subscription plan. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Booksy Biz website. Once you're there, look for the sign in option and enter your login credentials. This will take you to your Booksy Biz dashboard where you'll have access to all the tools and features associated with your account. After you've successfully logged in, your next move is to locate the settings menu. Take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You should find a list of menu options there. Click on the one that says Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your subscription plan. Now that you're in the Settings section, it's time to focus on your subscription details. Within this area, you should look for something labeled Subscription, Billing, or Plan and Pricing. This is typically where Booksy lays out all your current plan details and what other options are available to you. Here's where it gets interesting. Inside this section, you'll be able to see both your current plan and other plans you might consider upgrading to. Usually these plans will vary by a few key factors. For instance, you might find differences in the number of staff calendars you can manage, the marketing features available to you, or the payment tools and advanced reporting capabilities. Once you've had a chance to examine the options, if you decide you want to upgrade, look for a button marked Upgrade or Change Plan. Clicking on this button will usually present you with a selection of alternative plans. Take your time to choose the one that best suits your business requirements and growth projections. Before you finalize everything, you will need to enter or update your payment information. This involves adding a credit or debit card that will be used for any future billing. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid any hiccups in the subscription process. After you've completed these steps, you'll be prompted to confirm your subscription change. This is your opportunity to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm, your Booksy account should upgrade almost instantly. You'll start enjoying all the new features associated with your updated plan right away, making it easier for you to manage your business efficiently. So, that's how you log in to Booksy Biz Web and upgrade your subscription. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to review your selections carefully to match your business's unique needs and budget. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.